Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I just wanted to help you guys out with solving the iPhone black camera issue. So people will be having their phone just their camera just black like this, it cannot take pictures, and like everything like here is not working, especially to change from the rear to the back camera, and the flashlight will not be working. So with these kind of issues, the first step you would do is you just have to change from photo to like portrait to panorama, or to other options, to see if it doesn't work. You just have to go to the next step. So the next step is you close your camera app. You go to settings. So settings, you go down to accessibility. So it depends on the kind of phone you're using. If you're using iPhone 6, 7, and other versions, the older versions, you have to go to general and go to accessibility. But if you're using like maybe iPhone XE, the iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, you have to go to like straight to accessibility. So accessibility, go to voice over. So voice over, you double tap the voice over to turn it on.
Voiceover on. Settings.
Okay.
Voiceover on.
So you turn it on.
Double tap to toggle setting.
So you double tap
Voiceover
to turn
off.
it off. Okay. So after you turn it off, you go to accessibility again, and you go to the touch. So I already have my assistive touch on, but if you have it off, please turn it on. So after you turn it on, you come back here and you go home. So at this point, you just have to click on, or you just press your power button for like few seconds. Yeah, so at this point, you press your assistive touch here, and you tap and hold the home button. You have to tap and hold the home button, and this process will clear your RAM. Yeah, so it will take you back to home. Yeah. So I took my phone away because I don't want you guys to see my passcode. I'm sorry. So after that, you you have to just open your camera again to see if it's working. Most people will have their cameras working after this step, but if it's still not working, this is what you have to do. So if it's not working, you have to press your power button for a while and switch your phone off. You just have to slide it and switch it off, and you also turn it on again after you turn it on, and you try your camera again. So if it doesn't work, you use the next step. So the next step is you go to settings, okay, and you go to general, okay. So general, okay. You go to resets. So you go to erase all contents and settings. So you click on that, and this pops up. So before you do this, please make sure you back up your data, like on iCloud or whatever. So after you back up your data, you can, because after you do this, you're gonna lose like all your data. So just make sure you back up your data, and you click on erase now. After that, it just clears everything, and you can check your camera after that. Okay. Yeah. So after this, you can go to general again, and you clear your network settings, reset your network settings. So the network reset settings, click on that, and you have to type in your passcode. So but remember, when doing this, you just your password, like your Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth password, like your Wi-Fi settings, your Bluetooth settings, is all gonna be like reset. So you just have to make sure you set them all up after, like, you've done this. So I don't really need to do this, so I just have to cancel it. Okay, so after you've done this and it's still not working, okay, the last thing is to to go to general. You go to general and you go to software update. So you have to, download and install the latest like version of iOS, because sometimes Apple will be releasing some bugs to crash your camera. So you just try to install like the latest version of iOS. So you click on download and install, you type in your passcode, and you download it, like, and then you download the latest version of iOS. So after this, I believe you should be ready to go. You just have to check your camera after all these processes, and I think your camera will be working, because definitely it has to work. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.